everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Just under 20,000 miles, this extended cab pickup truck is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 gas engine. It is four-wheel drive and does have a clean CARFAX with 3 previous. In the front you will find this Ram well equipped with high intensity headlights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch aftermarket Hostile wheel wrapped up in a like-new all-terrain tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like high gloss black on the mirror caps with keyless entry. You also notice your mirrors are heated here. And looking on the inside, you'll have a black on black theme here with touches of light gray, brushed aluminum, and cloth. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Bighorn. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats. Looking into the back seat, even for an extended cab, you still have plenty of room back here. You have some pockets on the back of the seats, some all-weather floor mats. Those seats will fold up. Nice clean carpets underneath here. You will have a flow-through center console with some storage here. You do have a manual rear sliding glass and a fold-down cup holder. As you can see, this Ram is equipped with a hard bed cover here. Nice LED tail lights followed up with your rear camera. And you don't have a hitch receiver, but you do have your 4 and 7 pin wiring. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bed here. Nice spray-in bed liner here from Linex. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as powered door locks, windows, and mirror adjustments. And to the left, you'll have a general lamp selector with brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster and your interior lighting. Under the hood, you will have a 3.6 liter V6 engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminals. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. Now in the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram 1500. Really nice forest green or a lighter forest green color here on this Ram. Starting at the front of the hood, pretty clean as you can see. Chrome is in great shape. Your high gloss black grille is in great shape as well, and no dents or dings here in the front bumper. Headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation. Coming around the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on those nice wheels. All your badging is in great shape. Some discoloration here on the high gloss black mirror cap portion. And then you have some paint chips here in the lower portion of the passenger side door. You will have some scuffs here on the passenger side door handle as well. Looking inside, nice and clean, simple setup, guys. Nice simple truck here, but the outward appearance with the aftermarket wheel and tire setup and the color, that sets it apart, okay? Looking inside by the dash here, all the interior trim pieces are in great shape. I'm looking for discoloration in the seats. I see some there. Looks like we have a thread coming loose there. Headliner's nice and clean, no rip stains, tears, and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Some discoloration here on the cloth seats. Other than that, very clean, no major issues. Looks like we have some scuffs here on the backing of the seats. Coming around to our bed, no dents or dings, but up top you will see some scuffs. Tail lights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. And down below, your chrome bumper, no dents or dings. Looks like we'll have some scuffs here on top, just on top of the latch there. As you can see, your spray and bed liner. Some stainage here, but that's what it's for, right? To protect what's underneath. Your bed cover, your hard bed cover is in great shape here. Looks like we have a paint chip right there. Other than that, very clean, no curb rash on that wheel. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings. Let's take a look at the driver door handle. Some scuffs up top here. Other than that, really great shape. High gloss black portions on the mirror cap. You have some spots, but otherwise pretty clean. If you have any questions on this Ram extended cab V6, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, just hop online at allthingsautomotive.com and you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a really easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time, and don't be afraid to call your sales consultant. And additionally, just ask them about the extended coverage because this Ram will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.